Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. It's a very great evening here at autocad 2D training, and we are here to talk about blocks. Last time we talked about layer properties, so I promised that when we come this time we shall talk about blocks. Yeah. So AutoCAD blocks are these blocks you find maybe doors, windows, all other furniture, maybe dining sets, beds, windows, each and everything, maybe kitchenware, maybe trees. Yeah, all of those things are found in blocks. Yeah, we have three ways of adding blocks in AutoCAD. That is creating blocks from the user interface here. We just make a block and we call it a block. Yeah, by use of our hands, by use of the tools here, we can be able to make blocks. Then number two, we get blocks from the software library, which is called Add Center. Yeah, where we have to type the command Add Center. Then the third place we can get the blocks from, it is online, AutoCAD blocks. Yeah, you search for AutoCAD blocks and then you are able to get all of them. So now today's video we shall be able to talk about all the three ways of how we can obtain blocks on this software, which is AutoCAD. Yeah, first, if you are new on this channel, I'm called Godfrey and I'm from CAD Training. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell such that you cannot miss on any upload. Yeah, share, comment our videos such that we can learn from these videos. Yeah, so to begin with, we shall begin with creating blocks. Yeah, so for here in creating blocks in the workspace one, we shall first draw the block on the workspace. Then the next thing we can do is to create to make it as a block. Yeah, so I will start with two things. One is a door and the next thing is a window. Yeah, so we are considering a wall of thickness 225 and the thickness of the door being 100 millimeters. Yeah, and then the door swings a distance of 900 millimeters. Yeah, okay, the width of the door. Yeah, so what we shall do, we shall draw a rectangle of thickness 100 millimeters and swing distance, press tab, which is 900 millimeters. 900 millimeters, press enter. Yeah, so this is our door thickness. I put the swing distance, use an arc which is called the center start end. Click here, we first click at the center, we click at the start, and also we scroll this one to the end. Yeah, so make sure we place it at 180 degrees. Yeah, so this is our door. Since these ones are the doors which we have been seeing here in our AutoCAD, and then we shall include the wall height or the wall thickness, which is 225. I come here and draw a line of 225, press enter, escape. Also copy this, copy from here, bring it here, press escape. Yeah, so this is our door. So after creating this door, we shall come to, this is inserting a block, and here we have a new block, creating a new block. This one is editing a block, then this one is edits attributes in the block reference here. So we shall come here to create a new block, and we shall first state the name. Let's say this is a door 1, and with the base point we shall specify on the screen. The objects we shall specify on the screen, and the behavior, it will be annotative. Yeah, so, and we should also allow exploding. Yeah, so if you want to maybe remove it from the block, we shall use allow exploding. Yeah, the units will be in millimeters, and the description we can add any description we want. So we shall have to click OK. When we click on OK on our screen, we shall see specify the insertion base point. We shall come where we want to, where we feel like it can be suitable for specifying. Let's say it's this point. Yeah, and we also select the object using cross selection. Yeah, when we do like that, we press enter, and now it's already a block. When we click on it, it's now a block with where we can move the block from this point. Yeah, so when we come here on our insertion of blocks, yeah, you find when it is door one. Yeah, some of you are always ask even what if it is a swing door. We can also make this. So we first explode it, and then we mirror this. We mirror, select the object using cross selection, press enter, and we specify the mirror line, which is this, and here. Yeah, erase those object to press no, and we can also remove this. Yeah, so this is our double swing block. Yeah, so if you want to make it a block, what we shall do, we shall come here to creating a new block. We call it a double swing, and specify all this one, let it be annotative, allow exploding, press OK. Then we select the base point. Let's say we select this, and also select the object using cross selection and press enter. So what we shall find here, it will be, when we go to insert, we shall find also this double swing. Yeah, I can also make a window. A window is always of thickness, maybe also 100, thickness 100, and length, let's say 1500. Yeah, press tab, and we add the thickness of the window 100, press enter, and we can also add some attributes here. And let's check if the paddle and the node, this one should be showing the midpoint of this. Yeah, and then I can do a line here from this midpoint to this midpoint, press escape, another line from this midpoint up to this one, press escape. Yeah, so this is my window. If I want to make it as a block, I have to come to create, I name it as window, and press annotative and press OK. Select the base point if it is the middle here or here, and then also select the object using cross selection. So yeah, we shall be, if we go to insert, we shall find 3 of the items drawn here. So when I delete these ones, I delete and make, let's say, a house plan, let's say of length 3000, and with this 1500, press enter. I will be able to come out with this one, and then I can also input the wall thickness by offsetting. I offset 225 as how we said. The thickness of the window, let it be, it was 100. Let's also the wall distance be 100. Press enter and offset from here, and it will be like that. But remember, the wall thickness in the door we had chosen 100. Yeah, so it will definitely change, but for now let's also from 100 you add 115, add 115, press enter to make it 225, press escape. Yeah, so if I can measure the distance here from here up to here, it is 215. I want 225, I can also add another 10. Yeah, escape, offset 10 millimeters, enter, also offset from here. Yeah, press escape. Yeah, I can decide to also remove this, delete. Yeah, so I have this plan and I would like to put my window, let's say here. I will come to insert a block and look for the window and press OK. So the window, it will come where I have selected the base point. It is where it will be selected. When I come here to this line nearest and I press here, you see our window will be able to be shown here. Yeah. So when I come insert a block, I bring my double swing door and I select this point nearest, our double swing door will be able to come here. If it is, let's say, a single swing, I can bring it here and I also bring it here. Yeah, so you'll be able to see it. So I can now remove the points which are not allowed. Yeah, so to make it more seen. Yeah, so yeah, I can make such a plan using the other the creation of a block from this point here. So if the other thing is to, maybe if I go back and and use the other thing, the computer, the software library, which is called Ad Center. For here we shall input right in the space. It is called Ad Center, which is there. Press enter. It will bring us here, but we have to come to home. The first thing it is bring us to home. Then we shall select. If we, let's say we had found that side, we have to come to here. It is like a structure of maybe a house with this one home. We come to home, then we come to EN and us. Double click, we go to design center, and it will ask us, is it an analog integrated, CMOS, electrical fasteners, home space planning, or any other thing. So for us, we shall, let's say, choose maybe home space planning. Yeah, for home space planning, we go to blocks, and we can transfer a bed from here. We double click this one, it's here, press OK, and on the screen it asks us where we want to put the block, press it here. Yeah, so if we want, let's say, a chair, just click in it, we press OK, and when we come here, we are able to put that one here. So when we choose a desk, and here we can change it to also inches, maybe to millimeters, block unit. We can change it to millimeters, but for safety, let's leave it on this one, and then I will press OK. When we go outside, we are able to put our chair here. Yeah, so then the other thing, we can come back to home, EN and us, design center. We can also look at home designer, what are there. We can find a bus stop, a chimney, can find a door or default, can find a door fancy, a door plan, door plane, and any other one. Yeah, so if you bring, let's say, door here, press OK, and we bring it here, you'll see how the door will look like. Here we can we close here, press escape, I close this one and I click on it. Maybe if I rotate it, you can specify this point of rotation, and then you can choose it to be at 90 degrees. Let's say, should I call it 90? If I say 90, how will it be? 90, press enter. Yeah, so let's say, let me make it 30, rotate, follow, specify the base point, make it 30, press enter, see how it will look like here. So that's how we can rotate it. Yeah, but you see the way it is. I can also activate my also mode, come here and rotate it, specify this point, the midpoint or this point, and oh, here it is 270, but now we can put, if I come if I want it to be straight, this is 270. If I put 30, press enter, it will be like that. Yeah, so that's how you can rotate these doors. But at the point, there is where you can get actually change. Here it is constant. Yeah, there is a point where you can actually change the dimensions. Yeah, let's say we go to add center, press enter, and then we go to home, and then we look for ENS, and we look for dynamic blocks. Yeah, so for the dynamic blocks, they will bring us these ones mechanical and this. So for us, we shall be able to look for architecture, metric, not imperial. Yeah, metric. Then we go to blocks. So when we get a door which is metric, and we press OK, and we bring it on our side here, and then we take this. Let me take this one this side. It can be taken. Yeah, if I close, and for this door now, when I bring it here, if I click on it, it can also, if I come here, it can tell me, sets the door size, the swing size which I was talking about. Let's say 900. Press enter. You will see it increase. If you click on it, it will be 750. Press 900. Can press enter, you will see it being 900. Yeah, so for here you can choose the direction of swing, if it's left or right. Then here you can select the side the door is hung on. You can select that. Then here we can select the thickness of the wall. In our case it was 225, and when we click on this one, we can change it to 225. Press enter. You see the dimensions keep on changing. Then align the block to the object. Then here you can also the angle, let's say 90 degrees. Yeah, press escape. Yeah, so you see how our door was in the last press. Now it's how it has come about. Yeah, we can also get another one. Let's say add center. Press enter. We can also get a door and double click in it. Press OK, and we bring it here, the door. Yeah, and we close. Yeah, so if that is our door, when we click in it, it can also be able to give us the height of the door and also the width of the door. Yeah, if I can click in this one, I put, let's say 1000. Press enter. You see the dimension is changing. If I want to change the height, I can do that. Yeah, so you find in design center, let's say add center. Press enter. In we go to ENS. For design center, you cannot change the dimensions. Yeah, or for it you can just scale to any size. But for the dynamic blocks, you can be able to change their sizes and to the preferred distance. Yeah, so that's how it, if you get it from the design, you come, you press it to the place you need. Yeah, so that's it with the I have talked about creating blocks from the interface here, creating a blocks from the software library, which is add center, where we have to click, where we have to input the word add center from the object, from the workspace or the command line. Then the other thing where we can get blocks is online. We can access blocks from online. Yeah. So getting the blocks from online, what we have to do, we have to make sure that your internet is connected. You have to make sure that your internet is connected, and from there we go to our default browser, which is Chrome. Let me first minimize this. Our default browser, Chrome, is there, is loading. So what we have to look for as it's loading, what we have to look for, it is what we call what we search for, it is called so what we look for, what we search for, it is called AutoCAD blocks. So you search for AutoCAD blocks. Yeah, so when I increase this, we search for AutoCAD we search for AutoCAD blocks. So from there we have to go to our browser, which is Chrome. Let me first connect internet. Our browser is Chrome. We come, we search for AutoCAD blocks. So for AutoCAD blocks, we press enter. It will bring us here. You look for WG models download. You come here, you open WG models. Here we have furniture, CAD blocks, designer beds, tables, modern chairs. Here we have bathroom cards, we have interior details, we have cars blocks. If let's say I can get for cars, double click in this one. It can bring us the types of cars I need. Let's say I can choose this one. So for this, it asks me to buy, but there are some which you can't buy. Let me look for anywhere. Go back, Control plus Z. Here it is. You look for free WG models. So I can WG file viewer. The other one was for buy. These ones are for buying. So I can look for the ones which we cannot buy. Let's say let me look for furniture. Furniture, I have beds. We have this one is free. We have this one is free. We have this one is free. There are some you can buy. If you have money, you can, let's say, buy this. For us, we want chairs. Let's say we look for the dining set. So for this set, when we click in it, it will ask us download, and when it's downloading, it downloads as a WG file. So it's here, office furniture. You can open it and it will come as a WG file. So for here, layers, you can change them to white by looking at this. Come here to this tab, and we change. Last time we talked about layers. So I think by now we are able to change the layers of these. So I've changed my layers to this one. So if I want, I can decide to look for this one, or to look for this one, or look for this one, whatever I want. Let's say if I want to look for this one and I highlight this, I can copy. Just come to clipboard, you copy, and then you come to our WG file, this one, and then you can just come here, left click clipboard, and you paste. Yeah, you select the point where you want to paste the object. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, from the online source. Yeah, so if I come here, look for, let's say this, I can look for this one. Left click, come to clipboard, copy, come to my drawing file, this one. I can bring it here, left click, clipboard, paste, select a point here, so it is able to come here. Yeah, so what we are supposed to do here, we have to search for AutoCAD blocks on our online, on any online browser, let's say Chrome, let's say Opera. You can be able to find these blocks. Yeah, so I think this video has been helpful. Yeah, I think this video has been helpful. Yeah, so this is how we can get blocks from the 3 different layers. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you are new on this channel again, consider subscribing to our channel. This Godfrey from Gavi CAD drawing AutoCAD. Yeah, not only AutoCAD, but we shall be able to add other softwares, let's say structure analysis softwares, the road designing software, let's say Civil 3D. We shall be talking about all of them. Yeah, so keep on with me. We shall be able to make these softwares a walkover. We shall be able to work with these softwares easily. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you are new. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you cannot miss out on any upload, and also make commenting, sharing a point, yeah, such that we can take our channel very far and people learn from our channel. Yeah, so again, thank you very much for watching. Bye. Let me see you in our next video.